Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. This is a follow-up to the review that I did on the mesh bags that I bought for the purpose of using them when I buy produce and doing away with my use of the single-use plastic bags that are available to us in the produce department of just about any grocery store. So if you have not seen the video that I did before, I've got a link to that below. And in that video, I pointed out one of the problems with these bags was the fact that they're advertised as being double stitched, but mine were not. Rather than returning them, I thought I'd take it upon myself to fix that problem. So if you run into that same issue, if you purchase these and you find that they're not double stitched and you want to secure them and you want to do it yourself, all I did was I folded them inside out and I stitched a straight stitching line all the way on the outside of the original line. Now these things are so fine and so thin, you do need to put something under them or else the machine won't be able to handle it. And you could use a tearaway stabilizer, but I opted to just use some scrap paper that I had. I really didn't want to put any more money into these things, so I used scrap paper and it worked out just fine. You just put a strip of scrap paper under the mesh bag and then stitch along there and it worked up beautifully, and then all you do is tear the paper away. Then after I got them all sewed, I washed them in warm water with the other bags that I bought. But these are so light and so fine, I opted not to put these in the dryer, and I just took them all and hung them on hooks by the little drawstring that's here. And they're so lightweight, it didn't take any time whatsoever for them to dry back out. And that's the way I will handle these from now on. Well, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.